Hi students, happy Monday. There are two things that I want to teach you guys or show you in this video. The first thing is I want to make sure you know how to access your Google Classroom account from your Clever. And second thing I want to show you is how to use Flipgrid. What is Flipgrid? I think you're really going to enjoy that application. So first thing I want you guys to do is to log onto your Clever account. So you're going to go to clever.com. It's loading. It's gonna go a little bit slow because I already know why. Because I need to charge my computer. Okay, so go to clever.com. Once you're there, you're gonna click on the button that says log in with Google. Use your Gmail that I sent you and password. I'm using Jaden's again because I want to show you the student's view and not the teacher view. The password, I need to write down the password. Okay, I have this password right here. Enter your password. Make sure to enter it correctly or else you will not have access to it. It won't log you in. Okay. It's loading. Alrighty, I'm in. Go to my class page. From here, the first thing I want to show you was how to log on or have access to Google Classroom. So to have access to Google Classroom, go to Gmail, sign in. Once you go to Gmail, it's loading. There you go. Once you are here, you're going to click on these dots on the top right. This is Google Apps. And you're going to click where it says Classroom. And there you go. Click on my page. And awesome, you have access to my classroom, all my latest announcements. I just posted a read aloud on our story that we're still reading, Journey Under the Sea, so make sure you check that out. So that's how you get to my Google Classroom. Remember those dots on the top right? You could do Classroom, you could create a Word document, you could go to Slides and make a PowerPoint. There's awesome apps here for you to use. You could go to Gmail. This is your Gmail account. If you want to send Miss R an email, I can show you guys really quick how to do that. You're going to click on the plus button. This is Compose. There you go. And you're going to, once you put it, my name, you could do, I think you could just do Rodarte. And it should pop up, D. Rodarte. Click on it, include a subject. Maybe your subject is you have a question, write question. Or maybe you just want to say, miss you. And you don't forget to start with the greeting. You're going to say, hi, Miss Rodarte. Don't forget your comma. And then include your message below. So whatever you want to say, make sure you have proper periods, proper capitalization. And then at the end, you're going to put sincerely or with love, warm regards, whatever. I like using sincerely. Sincerely. And then your name. So if I was Jaden, I would write sincerely Jaden. And you're going to hit send. Okay, so it's a quick tutorial on how to send me an email. So just hit the plus button and it should pop up and you're going to look up my name. Okay, so now for the fun stuff. We're on Clever and I want to show you guys what Flipgrid is and how to use Flipgrid. So if you scroll down, there's the app right here that's called Flipgrid. Click on it. Okay. From here you're going to see this is going to say Miss Rodarte's classroom or class, and we have a question. I'm going to update the date because I had done this earlier, but I'm barely posting it now. So on Flipgrid, what's really cool about this app is that it allows you to create videos, and you're able to see my videos, your classmates' videos, and they get to see yours, and they could comment on it. So this is the question that I have for the week. And we'll be using this until we start our actual Google Classroom on April 13th. So this is just a fun way for all of us to see each other and see how we're doing before then. So my question that I have for you guys is, what has been your favorite thing about being at home? And what is one thing that you miss about being in the classroom? So that's your question. And how I want you guys to respond is by clicking on the plus button. You can also click on this video. You'll be able to see your classmates' videos as they upload them. But first, after you read the question, click on the plus button. Click on the G button. This is login with Google. Sign in with your account. I have Jaden's already here. Awesome. So once you log into your account, you're going to see your face and you're going to be recording your response to the question. So the question was, what do you miss about being away from the classroom, and what do you enjoy from being at home? So once you think about what you want to say, once you thought about what you want to say, click on this video. It's going to record your response. So I'm going to do a pretend one. This is where you're going to record your response. So I would say, one thing that I miss about being in the classroom is, and then I would also answer, one thing that I miss, or one thing that I enjoy from being at home is, and you're going to hear my response on the video I uploaded already. So this is where you will put your response. Press pause when you're done. You could even, this button shows you the question in case you forgot the question already. You could click on this and press hide. You can even put some silly, not this one. You can even put some silly stickers if you want. And you can move them around right here. You could even text something. If you want to text something, you could change the color. And you could put miss you. And then you can move it to the side, make it smaller. Whatever it is, then you're going to click on this button. It changes the color. So if you want like a filter, you could use this as well. There's even, do not do the alien one because then we can't see your guys' face. Make sure you're being responsible on these videos. You're saying only nice and kind things. Remember, everyone's saying this, I'm saying this, and if you're not being responsible with it, you'll not be able to use it again. So once you are done, you're going to click, and you're happy with everything, you're going to click on next. This is where you're going to record your response. So I would say, you're going to hear your video, make sure you're happy with it, then click next again. And then before you submit it, you got to do a selfie so you can smile. Okay, and then click on, you could redo it too if you did not like it. That looks fine to me. You could even add more smiley faces here if you like to. Okay, so it's uploading. It says don't close the window, so wait for it to upload. Put your name, not a silly name. I want your name. So all I want you to do is put your first name. I'm going to pretend I am Jaden. And just your first name's fine. You could put a title if you want to. You could say March 30th answer or response. Or maybe you're doing this video tomorrow or later on this week, but you could put April, whatever date it is. And then you're going to submit video. And this is congrats, Jaden. It is uploaded. Click on complete. Now you could see both of these. Now you can see mine if you would like to. Click on this video. Okay, so now you can view your classmates' post after you submitted yours. So before you look at ours, make sure you click on the plus. Make sure you click on the plus and upload your video. Now you can view my video.
Hi students.
After you watch it, you could actually leave a response right here by clicking reply. And you could respond with you could just do some text and say, I miss you too, Miss Rodarte. Remember, you could always move this and make it smaller. There you go. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just, when you respond, leave me a recorded video response. And I want you to do that to at least do one for me, respond to my video, and then you can respond to another classmate's video. Keep coming back onto Flipgrid because not everyone's going to upload on the same day, right? Everyone's going to maybe see this a little bit differently. So check every day to see if a new student posted a video. But leave a response and make sure it's positive, make sure it's nice, make sure it's kind, okay? Okay, let me pause this. So that is Flipgrid for you. It's going to be our opportunity for us to my computer is dying, so I'm trying to rush. It's going to be our opportunity to connect with one another, see each other, see how we're doing, and my video's acting a little funny, so hopefully it's not looking funny on your end. I'm going to grab my charger and be right back. Okay, I grabbed my charger. My computer should be working a lot better now. So that's Flipgrid for you. So remember, read the question, complete your video, and respond to another student's and mine, my post. And that is it. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know on Dojo or on, actually ask me those questions on Google Classroom since we now know how to use Google Classroom. So I'm excited to see your guys' post and see your guys' comments on here as well. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great Monday. Be happy, be safe, be healthy, and wash your hands.